Hi, I'm going to do an overview of JTask, my Joomla web application. You can see here I have a basic Joomla website, just using the default template, but it will suffice for our needs. I added a JTask link in the main menu, which will take us to a listing of all the projects I have added. For the sake of this example, I've just added two. And let's go ahead and look at the website project. Each box represents a different task. This view here is the public view, something you would see if you're not logged in. Now, the reason these tasks or boxes are red is because they have not been completed yet. And for this example, we're assuming the website is mostly completed. These tasks are just the remaining issues which need to be fixed before the client will sign off on the project. There's still one more task I want to add, so let's go ahead and add that now. You'll need to log into the back end of Joomla, which I've already done, and then in the components go to my JTask component, and we're going to go to manage tasks because we want to add one more. Now here you can see a list of all the tasks we've already created and all color coordinated. Let's go ahead and click new to add one more, and we want to make sure it's in the right project. So it's the website project. Go ahead and give it a title and a summary. Go ahead and paste that in there. Alright, all tasks need a start and end date, so we make it start today, and say 2 days to complete this. Now you can select how important the task is from top priority to do this task at the end. We'll just set the mid-level. We're going to assign this one to, say Dave. And so status, it's been assigned. Yes, we're going to publish it. So click save. So that added our task. We go back to the front end and reload. You can see here at the bottom our task has been added. Now let's say I, as the developer, would like to log in and see my tasks. So in the login menu, enter login and password. It says right here your tasks. So these are all the tasks which have been assigned to Chris. And at the bottom it says other tasks, which would be the tasks assigned to Dave and anyone else. So we'll start at the top. For example, let's say I read through this and okay, I've got a question. I'm not sure how to handle this. So you can go to the comments. Let's go ahead and add my question there. And for the status, say I have a question. Submit. You can see that changed the color to this orange-brown color. So quickly at a glance, I can see the status of each task, and it shows that I've got a comment. And we'll just go on down the list. Let's say I finished this one. You can see it's right now it's just yellow because I say it's finished, but the administrator of these tasks has not signed off on it yet. Let's say I finished this one. Let's say, okay, there's a lot here. I haven't gotten around to this one yet, so I'll just skip it. And this one, let's say I also have a question. Add my question there. Okay, so that's the current status of all my projects. Now let's say as the administrator, I want to check up on the status. Now we're going to log back in as the administrator. And so, okay, go ahead and look at this question here. Alright, easy enough question. I'll go ahead and answer that. And you can see it automatically changes the status back to red. So next time the developer logs in or whoever, they'll see that, instantly be able to see the question's been answered, and you can work on the task again. And this was one of the tasks assigned to Dave, so hasn't gotten around to it yet. Now this one, our developer said he finished it, so I'll go ahead and check, and yep, this one's finished. I can say it's completed. You can see its color has been changed to green. Now let's say I review this, and no, there's still one or more things. So let's go ahead and say I just make a little comment that it wasn't quite right. Fix this. And we're going to say the status is still assigned, so submit. Again, it goes back to red, and with the admin's comment in there. And up here's another item which had a question. You can see I can just quickly scroll through this. Go ahead and look at the question. And alright, we'll just go ahead and answer it. You can see you can just really quickly scroll through the list here, see what has been done, what needs to be answered, and the like. Log out of there. Now let's go back to the back end. I can show you a few more things. If we look at like the status types. This is where they had the option of, unable to work on it, have a question, finished, and also the color codes that would be assigned, to the task based on their response. Now, if you want to change it, I've made it really easy and intuitive. You can either just click on an individual link, and instantly just makes this an editable box. You can also change the color. Or let's say you want to change, all of these in one shot. You can just select them all. Or you can click this box here to select them all. Again, click edit. Now we have instant access to edit all of these really quickly without bringing up additional windows and doing it that way. And in a nutshell, that is the my JTask component.